TriCaster Vizion systems have bidirectional SDI ports. This means setting up the outputs requires a few extra steps that I want to show in this video. So here we are on the live desktop, and let's take a look first at how our SDI cards are configured. That can be done by going to the Setup button, and then in this window going to the Connectors tab. And here we can see that in my system I have one SDI card and it is currently configured for 4 in, 4 out. So we can set up outputs 5, 6, 7, and 8 to show video. Now, one other thing I just want to point out is that the ports on the top are 12G SDI capable. That means that outputs 6 and 8 can display 4K UHD signals, whereas outputs 5 and 7 are only 3G SDI, meaning they max out at HD level signals. So keep that in mind based upon what kind of video you need to get out of the system. But to configure these outputs, we'll go to the Output tab, which is in the same setup window. And here we have our 8 mix outputs. These are all available via NDI, but if I want to make them available via SDI, we have to do that under the Connectors option. So here we can choose from the available outputs which one we want assigned to a mix. Let's say mix 1, I want to come out SDI output 8. I happen to have this output hardwired back into input 4, so you'll see when I select it, that the video on program out is now appearing in input 4, just to show you that it is working. And then we can go to any other mixes and assign those to the appropriate SDI outputs as well. Now, if we need to choose the resolution of this output, that can be under the format option, and you can see the different options that you can choose. I'm not getting 4K on this output because I'm not in a 4K session, but if I was, I'd be able to choose that from the list.